Guys, what's good? Anniejay is here again with another video. Yeah guys, I know it's been a minute. I can explain myself and I will definitely explain myself, but in this video I want to show you guys some new equipment I got for filming to just make filming easier. New equipment, you guys know it means better lighting, better sound, and better positioning. Yeah, so I got a ring light, I got a mini tripod, my backdrop is on the way, so I can't wait to show you guys all this. But for now I have my ring light, so I'm going to be showing you guys. I got my ring light from Austin 7070. Shout out to Austin 7070. And I got my little tripod. I got my little tripod from Jumia. Shout out to Jumia. Shout out to Tomiwa for ordering the tripod for me. Guys, I'm going to be mounting the ring light with the help of my younger sister. She's basically going to be doing it while I film her doing it. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Ayo.
Yeah, so you guys, Miss Ayomide, she's my younger sister. She's the third in 5 of us and I'm the first, so there's still a bond between the both of us. Yeah, so this is Ayomide and she'll be the one mounting the ring light. So let's get into this video. You guys can see the difference. Now it's off, so when I turn it on, it gives this effect. Yep, this effect. And then when I turn it off, it gives this one. And there are 3 different filters, from the white to the, and this is the last one. So yeah, basically this is about this tripod. So guys, I got this package from Jumia. I already saw it open before I remember that I have to carry you guys along in the unboxing of this package. But it's just a mini tripod I got from Jumia because I want to film outdoors. Like, I want just a mini tripod to film vlogs, outdoor experience. I can't always be taking a big one. So I decided to get a small one, and the package just came in from Jumia. Shout out to Jumia. This cost me about 2005 or something. It's so cheap. So this is actually the package. So what I like about this package was that it came with this Bluetooth remote where I can use to take pictures. I can press this and then my pictures are taken while it's on the tripod. I can use this to take a picture while it's on the tripod. So I'm so excited about it because this is why I really wanted it. I wanted something like this, but this alone in normal stores was 4,000, 5,000. But even with the tripod, this came at 2,000 something. I can't really remember. So I'm so excited. Yeah. Then this is the tripod, the mini tripod. So you guys can see how comfy it is. Like, I could hold it like this. Just hold it like this, hold it from afar like this. I don't have to always be holding my phone like this and my hands start paining me, and then I don't get a perfect view or shaking and all that. So this is also for just like a mini vlog. I just want to do something small. I don't want the whole paparazzi of setting up the big ring light, or I don't want that big ring light tripod. I just want something small. I could just set this up, and this is the phone holder. It also comes with a phone holder. Definitely there's no tripod without a phone holder. But it's something like this, you just have to screw it in patiently, and there we have it. This is so perfect for I just want to talk to the camera, something like that. I just love it so much. It's so small and handy, can do everything, and the legs are expandable, and it's not wobbly. It stays perfectly. I've not tested it with my phone yet, but I know it's going to stay, and it's just so perfect. I love it, and then I love this too. Thank you, Jumia. So guys, that's it for the ring light and all that. I actually told you guys I was going to do a video explaining why I couldn't post. I've not been able to post that much because I keep losing my clips. Like, I was supposed to post a convocation day clip, I lost it. I was supposed to post a video on Sunday talking about 5 ways you could make money online, I lost it. So that's it. I keep losing clips and all that. So I have found ways to not lose clip. What I do is, the moment I record, I transfer it to my laptop so that even if I lose the edited clip, I can go back to the raw clip. Because if you ask me the reason why I keep losing the clips, I don't know. But that being said, yeah, I just basically wanted to show you guys. And then my backdrop is on its way. So you guys, I might not do a video showing you the backdrop, but you guys will notice it from the videos. I can actually just use somewhere in my room right now to do a video because I have my ring light. I don't need natural light again, and then I have a backdrop coming. So that's all for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, tell a friend to tell another friend. You guys should subscribe, and please, you guys, get me to 200 subscribers. I'm almost there. Please, I want to go to 200 subscribers. I love you all. Peace.